I'm going to make a bookmark that has a fun decorative shape at the top. We're going to click Create and Shaper. And to make our bookmark, we're going to start with a cube, and we're going to set the size. We want our size to be, we want a free resize. So 4 arrows means fixed resize. This changes between fixed and free. 2 arrows means free. Here's the difference. Fixed resize is going to keep the shape exactly the same, but just make everything bigger at the same time. If you're changing something about the shape, you want free resize. So like this, if I click resize and I just drag this tab, see how everything gets bigger? Just click undo when you do that by accident. I click here to get free resize, right? And I can just drag and it only gets that. I'm gonna undo. So you wanna be free resize, 2 arrows, and here's our dimensions. For our X, the red, the width, we want it to stay 20. For the Y, we want to make it 100. So I'm going to type 100 and press return. For the Z, we want it to be 1. So we're going to type 1 and press return. So your size is X20, Y100, Z1. Then you see that the tab in the precision section, I'm going to switch over to move. Your move button could also be accessed here. You need to make sure your Z is at 0. So to get your base ready, you're going to make sure that all of these, the X, the Y, and the Z are at 0, which X and Y are unless you moved your shape. And your size is going to be 20, 100, 1. Go do that now and come back when you're ready to add a shape. Okay, whatever we're going to add at the top of our bookmark, we can make it a little wider than our bookmark, but not too much wider. So if I'm looking for something fun, let's say I'm going to come down. So a few places you want to look. Flat shapes will have a lot of good options. But you also want to go to drawn, because believe it or not, there's a whole bunch of fun shapes like dinosaurs, unicorns, butterflies, cats, in drawn. So some of my favorite shapes are in drawn. So let's say I'm going to go actually to flat. I want to put a star at the top. And you know, we've got a cactus, we've got all sorts of stuff. I want to put a star. So this is not like a key tag because we're keeping these fairly flat. So I'm going to add my star and I'm just going to quick change the color. I'm not moving it or anything because it's dropped in a perfect spot. Now, we need to have some portions touching the top here. So here the star has 2 legs. And I can make my star a little bit bigger, which I'm going to do. And I'm actually going to change it to back to fixed resize. So many times if you're resizing a shape, you want to do it in fixed, but then we're going to go back and make sure it's very skinny, very narrow for our bookmark. So I'm going to drag it, whatever shape you make. Like if I made it this big, my star, like we're going to drag it to the top. You have to make sure that your shape can be attached. Oh, so that actually works because you can see it overlaps right there. If I'd made it too big, it maybe wouldn't have worked. But this actually works. I normally recommend not to go over 30, but I think that would be okay for the star because it's only little pointy parts that go past 30. But we have to do a few more things. So see the Z? We cannot have our Z be that thick. So you got to go back to free resize, 2 arrows. So if you want it to be exactly as thick as your base, you make it 1. I think sticking out a little bit is good. I would do like a 1 1.6, maybe even a 2. Probably not any thicker than a 2, because this part will be sticking up out of the book. We obviously don't want anything more than 1 millimeter inside the book. So you know what, I'm gonna get bold, I'm gonna try a 2. In most cases, I go with 1.6. Now there's another thing. So we've made it larger, we made sure our Z is between 1 and 2 millimeters, but you need to go back and check your precision move. You need to make sure the Z for your decoration is 0. You just type in 0 and press return, because they both need to be flat. If they are not absolutely flat, we run into problems. So we made sure that the main part, when we click move, the Z, actually all of it was 0, but especially the Z. Then when I click my decoration, the Z is 0. So you're setting your size. You're making sure your size for the Z is between 1 and 2 millimeters. You're making sure it's touching at the top so that it will print as one unit. And there are lots of ways you can do that. So you can see I have it sticking out a little bit, but not too much. And then finally, we make sure that this has a good Z width and move. When you have it the way you want, you will click finish. You will give it a title that has bookmark in the title. So the beginning will be a word that tells us what it is. I'm going to write star and then bookmark. Star is one word and bookmark is another word. They need a space. You will not put a price. You will not change the privacy. And you click done.